Hey folks, Underdog Lawyer here. Let's talk about how to fix errors on credit reports. The first step to fix an error on your credit report is to identify the error. You can get your free credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. The second step is to dispute the error directly with the credit reporting agency. Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, these are credit reporting agencies, and you want to send your dispute directly to these companies in order to trigger your legal rights. Step 2 is going to fix 99% of credit reporting errors. If Step 2 doesn't fix your credit report, Step 3 is to contact a credit reporting attorney. Credit reporting attorneys should not charge you any money for a free consultation to discuss your legal options. For sample letters and to download forms, go to underdoglawyer.com and click on the credit reporting tab. Thanks for watching. If you liked this clip, please give us a like, and if you have any further questions, go to underdoglawyer.com or email me directly, team@underdoglawyer.com.